gonna show them our apartment. Okay? Okay. Hello, you guys, and welcome to our Upper East Side studio apartment. If you saw my last studio apartment tour, it is the same apartment. However, this is the 2.0 version. It is new and improved. We have done a lot of things to our apartment since the last video, so I thought it was worth a new video to show you guys some of the changes. Also, I had a lot of comments on how two people share a studio apartment, and so I wanted to show you guys kind of how we organize and how we do it, because yeah, it's interesting having two people in a small space. And we also now have a dog, which I will introduce you to momentarily, named Samson. He's just chilling right now. So we have two people and a pet in this apartment, and it's the best. So anyway, I wanted to show you guys some of the changes that we made. So follow me and we will dive right in. First, before we start, I do want to show you guys the entryway closet, because last time we didn't really open the closet doors because things were not organized to my liking to show the world, but now they are slightly better. So let's show you guys this first closet. So we'll trade places, me and my husband, my cameraman. So this is our entryway closet. We have coats, shoes, and then up here we have like just Samson things. We have pee pads, we have like umbrellas, just, I don't know, like reusable bags, things like that, purses. And again, it's tight. It's definitely tight. We have to make it work. And then over here, oh, see, this is the fun part of living in a studio. We have more shoes, laundry stuff, tissues, just like extra, you know, things, backups of random things. So if you follow me this way, now we have the bedroom, which a lot of things in here are the same. However, a couple changes that we made. We have cord covers now over these cords. Also, a lot of you were asking if this part of the bed is on backwards, and yes, it is. So this should actually jut out this way, but if, Jesse, if you want to show them, back here we have our heater, which is covered by a like heater cover. So we wanted this to kind of cover that heater basically, so that it wasn't like showing, and then it didn't look like the bed was like jutting out quite as much. So that's that. Let's see what else. We did add some artwork onto the walls, and then this is our little doggy bedroom. So this whole area we just call the bedroom, the master bedroom, and then the doggy bedroom. So this is Samson's little bed. This is a crate that we got off of Etsy, custom made, and he has his little lamp and, you know, art display or whatever. We also added these, which I really like. They are these like outlet light switch covers from Anthropology, which I think just kind of elevates it a little bit more. And then we can go into the living room. So last time that I made this apartment tour, we had a rust orange couch, which we just were not feeling it. And so we decided to kind of have like an Oval Office type vibe and have two matching couches just for like symmetry's sake. And then another thing a lot of you guys were asking was like, isn't that uncomfortable to watch TV like this? And that is a great question. So Jesse and I, typically this is my couch and this is Jesse's couch, but usually we will watch it like this. And a lot of you were also asking like the TV seems kind of high. So this is a Samsung frame TV. So we have like artwork displayed during the day, and then at night when we want to watch TV, it becomes the TV. But this comes out like so, and then you can also tilt it down. So we can watch it like this, and it's a lot easier to look at than when it's like way up there. So anyway, I just thought I would explain that a little bit better than I did the last time. This we painted since the last time. We painted it the same color as the walls, which kind of makes it look like it belongs in the space, or it was already here, which it was not. So we needed to find something narrow enough that didn't stick out too far, and this was like the perfect thing. We have another cord cover here that Jesse put on, little bookshelf type of thing. We got some new fun pillows from Pottery Barn, which I just got, so it still has a tag on it. And then I'm really excited to show you guys the closets this time. So the last time you saw the closet doors, I can't remember what handles we had on here, but we replaced the handles. We used Rub and Buff on the hardware to make it gold to match the handles that I also used Rub and Buff on. Anyway, let's show you the closets. So this closet is very fun. We found this. This is like, I think technically like a children's dresser for a kid's bedroom, but we needed something that fit into the closet since we don't really have anywhere to have this out, nor would we necessarily want to, because it would just like take up a lot of our walking space. And we just have like clothes that can be folded and put away in there. On this side, we have just things that need to be hung up, sunglasses, stuff like that. We have workout stuff, shoes, other random things, towels, hair stuff, just toiletries, file cabinet, like stationery type stuff, purses and travel bags. This is like random cords, and this is like backup like skin and hair care products and stuff like that. So that is how we organized this closet. We definitely had to downsize. If you're moving to New York City, you're probably going to be living in a smaller space than you're normally used to. And so you kind of have to become like a minimalist, so to speak. This closet we have here. So this is more clothes. So my stuff is here. Jesse has 2 shelves. We have hats hung on nails on either side, belts and ties. We have some of Samson's toys. We have like our toolbox and things like that. More clothes that need to be hung. This is our laundry basket. And then up here we have our suitcases. We had to put in this like metal shelf thing in order to maximize the space a bit better. And then we have like extra bedding and our bougie air mattress for when we have guest visits. So that's kind of how all of that works. This is just kind of like random stuff right here. But yeah, so that's how that closet is organized. And then we have the kitchen. We have a photo framed of us at our wedding. We have this like light switch cover. Jesse put in this art light that is battery powered, right? Or USB?
USB.
USB powered, so we can like recharge it or whatever. And then we got this table from, it's like the Kelly Clarkson brand, which I will show you guys a picture on either side of the screen of what it looked like originally, but I liked the concept, I liked the dimensions, I liked a lot of things about it, but I just didn't like the color, and I wanted something to, I just wanted it to go better in our apartment. So we sanded it and we painted it. We have Samson's little sip and snack situation down there. We put some more artwork up here, and then I will show you guys a little bit on how we organized. So this is all kind of the same pantry type display. A lot of our cups and mugs are in the dishwasher right now, hence why they're not there. But yeah, I'll show you, we'll start over here. So this is kind of Jesse's like bar cart area. So this is like our bar drawer. And then down here we have more bar supplies. And then we have like Samson's like food and stuff like that. Here we have our silverware. And then under here, it's like cookbooks, our crock pot, pots and pans, Tupperware, washed dishcloths, things like that. And then over here, we have just like cutting boards and like our pizza pan and things like that, cookie sheets, spice drawer or spice cabinet right here. Up here we have like a lot of Red Bull, which I do not drink. This is like for when we're like hosting, just kind of like random like disposable stuff. This is where we have like supplements. Back there we have tea, some of Samson's supplements, backup like Band-Aids, things like that. Down here we have, this actually is pretty deep, so it goes like all the way back to that wall, which is kind of nice. So way back there we have like extra paint, extra, I don't even know, light bulbs and stuff like that. And then we have our cleaning supplies, recycling, trash. Everybody has a junk drawer. Ours was actually recently organized, so it's not quite as bad as it used to be. And then this is kind of a hodgepodge of a lot of random things. We have vacuum, computer stuff, our printers down there. So every time we do need to print something, we have to take it out, plug it in, and all of that. But it works just fine. And then in our island, we have, I'll show you. So this is where we have like a lot of dry storage, pantry items, baking supplies, things like that. In this drawer, we organized it with like the Ziploc baggies and things like that. More baking supply type things. And then down here we have like extra baking supplies that didn't make it to the display. Yeah, I think that's basically it. Up here, we just have extras of, I don't know, random things, extra peanut butter for when we're out. Anyway, so you can follow me over here. The bathroom, we also replaced the doorknob on, and we also, I used rub and buff on the hinges to make them black instead of like the just silver metal. And honestly, nothing is too different in here either. We have two different lights here. Oh, we did put this light switch cover, I always forget what it's called, on here as well. So yeah, that's the bathroom, nothing too exciting. It is like really nice, there's lots of storage, so a lot of like nice spots to store toiletries and things like that. Down here we just have like hair stuff, extra toilet paper, Nothing that exciting. But yeah, I hope I didn't miss anything. Oh, our AC unit is now installed, so it's right over there in the wall. And yes, we do have a window unit in a wall unit space. I thought that I would just, yeah, do like an updated tour because it's finally feeling more like a little bit more put together, a little bit more, there's more symmetry to it than the last time. And I just thought it would be fun for you guys to see how we do it here at the stock studio and how we make it work with all of our things and things like that. I will introduce you to Samson. He's been such a good little sleepy puppy this whole time. Hi, Papa. Hello, come on, come here. Oh, this is Samson. Thank you guys so much for watching. To everybody who has subscribed to my channel and for all of your sweet comments. It is just so fun to read and just, oh, it just makes me like really happy seeing what you guys think about everything and like being able to answer your questions. Oh, one more last thing before we wrap this up is I would love your opinion on what to do with this wall. Jesse wants to put another TV on this wall, and I'm like, no, we do not need another TV. I think he's like half serious, half kidding. But I would love to know if you guys have any ideas, like gallery wall, shelving, like how would you make it work? Something, the reason why I kind of like this blank is because I don't want it to be too busy and then for the space to feel smaller. So if you have an idea that, you know, it's simple, but it's like something, that would be great. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. I will see you guys in my